Hey guys, Blockster42. I hope this finds everyone well. So another post-build review. This is the Tamiya Jagdpanzer Mark I. It's based on a World War II French chassis that the Germans took when they occupied France. No idea what the chassis is, but it's a cool looking kit. It's going to be a quick box post-build review. There was nothing wrong with this kit. It was awesome. There was zero fit issues, absolutely no fit issues whatsoever. Everything went together just fantastic. No filler anywhere throughout the kit. None needed, none required. The tracks went together really well. Just follow the instructions. They are long link on the top, long link on the top, long link on the bottom, another smaller link here, and some singles around the idler and the drive sprocket. Just tickety-boo. I had over 3/4 of this kit built in about 90 minutes. The gun takes a little bit longer, it's a little bit fiddlier, but the chassis goes together really nice. Okay, so the gun, I believe it's just your standard Pack 75. It's a one-piece barrel, but it does have a two-piece muzzle brake. Very little, if any, filling will be needed done on that. It's nicely detailed, it's nicely engineered, it goes together good. Yeah, like this is a weekend kit for you boys. She's a nice kit. It comes together with a good supply of 75 mil ammo. And it also comes with these two excellent figures. They're basically looking up at the sky and like, that's a lot of planes. Yes, it is, Hans. That's a lot of planes. So yeah, these Tamiya figures, they're as good as some of the old resin figures I've got from 10-15 years ago. The detail is just fantastic. They are extremely nicely done. Nice facial features, nice uniforms, just all around extremely well crafted and well cast. So yeah, you got two really nice bonus figures that just basically cry instant diorama, which I've got one planned for. Queued up with all the rest of them coming along. Hey, good news, I painted about 20 figures last week, so yeah. If you follow my Instagram account, you can see I tend to update my Instagram a little faster, sooner than I do YouTube. I've had some technical issues and whatnot with computers and cameras the last little while, so thus the lack of video. Anyway, we got everything all here. We got lots to build. We got lots to do. Take care, guys. Later.